What's up, brothers? In today's video we're gonna be talking about the best bodyweight exercise you're probably not doing. Alright, let's be honest, your push-up game is weak. You're out here cranking out basic push-ups thinking you're building a massive chest, but in reality you're just reinforcing bad habits. Which means flat back, limited range, half reps. It's no wonder your progress has stalled. But don't worry, because today I'm about to put you on the best bodyweight chest builder you're not doing, which is deep decline push-ups on parallettes or rings. This one exercise will explode your upper chest, destroy your shoulders, in a good way of course, and make your push-ups feel like actual resistance training. If you're still stuck doing regular push-ups, you're missing out big time. So what's the problem with doing just regular push-ups if you're aiming to grow your chest? Standard push-ups are not enough if you actually want to build serious muscles. Why, you ask? Because you're not training through a full range of motion. Your chest isn't stretching properly, your shoulders aren't getting that deep activation, and your triceps aren't working as hard as they could. And then you wonder why you look the same after months and months of push-ups. So, if you want real muscle growth, you need to increase the range of motion and challenge your stabilizers. That's exactly what deep decline push-ups do. So, why, in my opinion, deep decline push-ups are superior? This isn't just your average push-up. We're elevating the feet using parallettes or rings and going deep. Here's why it works. We have increased range of motion, which means that your chest stretches further, leading to way more muscle activation. More stretch also means more gains. It's as simple as that. We have more shoulder engagement. Unlike regular push-ups that keep your shoulders in weak, fixed range, this forces them to stabilize and work harder. That's how you build real strength. And better upper chest development. Everyone wants that aesthetic squared off chest, so this is one of the best ways to build it without weights. And it's also very hard to do. An exercise which is very hard to do in a good way. If you can crank out 30 normal push-ups, for example, you'll struggle to do even 10 deep decline push-ups with proper form. That's how you know it works. Now, before you just throw your feet up on a chair and start flopping around, let's get these things right. Step number 1, you need to elevate your feet. Higher elevation means more upper chest activation. So find a sturdy surface like a bench or chair, doesn't really matter. Step number 2, use parallettes or rings. These give you that deep stretch and better joint alignment. No parallettes, you can just use two stable objects like, for example, yoga blocks, or you can even use books if you want. And step number 3, lower yourself deep. Your chest should go below your hands. This is where the magic happens. And step number 4, controlled press up. No bouncing, no rushing, slow controlled reps make all the difference at the end. But if you still can't do them, no problem. You can just start with regular decline push-ups just to get used to the positioning. You can do deep push-ups on parallettes just without decline. So you build the range first, and you can do eccentric deep decline push-ups where you lower yourself slowly, then reset at the top. But if you're stronger and these are too easy for you, you can start doing weighted deep decline push-ups with a backpack or a weight vest or something, basically on rings. If you use rings, they are even harder to do. So yeah, most people never do this exercise, and that's why most people never build an impressive chest with bodyweight training. So if you're serious about getting jacked at home, ditch the basic push-ups and start doing these. They're brutal, they are effective, and they'll make your chest and shoulders look insane. So go and try them, and when your chest is sore for days, remember who put you on. So subscribe for more home training tips, and that's it.